I also wanted to show off a homework assignment for 2810, CS 2810. And in this assignment, there's 3 tasks in which we write MIPS Assembly. So in this first task, basically what we do is you add 3 numbers, A, B, and C. You just hard code the values in here. So I just chose -5, -4, and 3. And then I load them into the registers. I sum them all together, and I store the result in T3 here, and then I print them to the console. And so let's run this. Let's see it in action. -6, you can see, is the sum of all these numbers right here, -5, -4, and 3. So that's task 1. Task 2 is a complex equation. So what that means is it asks for the user's input for A, B, and C, and then it will print out A minus B, kind of like this. It'll print out A minus B plus C equals, and then the result of that equation. And so this is my code for that. Kind of tedious, but if you see it running, it's basically like this. We'll just use this first example. So I'll put my A as 10, my B as 9, and my C as 7. And you can see 10 minus 9 plus 7 equals 8. So that's it for task 2. Task 3 is we're taking the average of 3 numbers. Of 4 numbers. So you just hard code the values for the numbers in. As you can see, I load them into my registers. I calculate the sum. I divide by 4. This is integer division, by the way, so it's not like a perfect, exact decimal average, but it's close enough. And then I store that back into RAM under average. So if you see that running, let's do it. Program is finished running. And then you can see, so this is the sum right here, this value. And then this is the average. And those are my 4 numbers right here.